Tornado kills 6, injures nearly 200 in China. A tornado has left 6 people dead and nearly 200 injured after ripping through a northeastern Chinese city, local authorities said Thursday. The tornado hit Kayuan in Liaoning province on Wednesday afternoon, tearing down trees and electricity poles, smashing the windows of apartment buildings, and knocking down some brick walls. More than 190 people were injured, and 43 of them were hospitalized, the Kayuan Public Security Bureau said on the Weibo social media platform. Xinhuanit reported the twister lasted about 15 minutes, ravaging apartment buildings and an industrial park. The tornadic storm was accompanied by hail. Terrifying eyewitness video captured the moments the tornado swirled across a roadway, the circulation appearing to pass over the videographer's vehicle. Large storage containers are seen being drawn into the vortex, the atmospheric sink drain yanking trees out of the ground. If one watches closely, it's possible to spot the trees leaning right, then left as the wind switches direction beneath the funnel's powerful rotation. At one point, the tornado stirred up enough dust to become fully enshrouded, lifting sand more than 1,000 feet. Maliciously elegant striations can be seen where the tornado merges with the cloud base, evidence of a strong mesocyclone within the thunderstorm. At first glance, the damage left behind appears commensurate with at least a strong F2 to low-end F3 tornado. Winds may have topped 130 miles per